Before we start, I want to just make a little shout. I know that I have stated that videos will be released Monday to Friday, but today is a one-off because this is the first video and I just wanted to get it out there. So the next video will be on Friday and then starting on Monday. So please watch the video. Hey there, welcome back to How to Act with Kayleigh. So just before we get into the video, I want to talk a little bit about our Patreon page. I have just set it up so it is new. So if you click the link in the description below and become a Patreon member, you will be getting full access to monologues that you can use for your self-tapes, scripts. I will also be posting video content about my experience and video content with a few acting classes on there. So if that is what you want, go click the Patreon page and become a member today. Also, please share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on this amazing content. Anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, so today I wanted to talk a little bit about how to take your time when acting. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this is because I feel like it's something that no one really talks about, and it's good to know how to take your time. And what I'm going to get into is how to do that, of course, and why you should take your time. So you get a script and you read the script and you're like, and you sit there and you think, how can I take this character? And because of your nerves, the first thing that you'll do is be like, yeah, so blah, 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 blah. You'll just rush it. And I know that because I've done that before. And in the past, my acting was terrible because I would just rush because I was so nervous. And then I learned how to slow it down and not rush into it. So what I mean about rushing is sometimes we get a little bit ahead of ourselves and we literally are nervous because it's normal to be nervous and you naturally just rush. So what I mean is you'll get the script and you'll read the script. You just want to get it over and done with, don't you, when you're at a casting? So I'm going to teach you how to not rush. Because when you rush something, it doesn't look professional and it looks like you just want to get out of there, like you don't want to be there. You're just like, okay, I'm going to do this, and blah, blah, blah. And you just run because you're really nervous. So how we are going to do this is I'm going to get a line and I'm going to compare it. I'm going to rush it and then I'm going to slow it down so that it is not rushed, and we will compare to see which version is better, and you can comment below which version is better. So we'll get into that right now. 3, 2, 1, and I did that backwards. Let's do the compare. Okay, so take this line, and this is the line. My name is Kayleigh, I come from the UK, where do you come from? Now let's rush that. My name is Kayleigh, I come from the UK, where do you come from? Okay. Now let's slow it down and try not to rush it. My name is Kayleigh. I come from the UK. Where do you come from? Okay, so now let's compare and see which one is better. Comment below which one you think is better. So why we do this exercise is because you want to make sure that you draw in the audience, and this is an effective way because we're naturally not gonna rush stuff. We're not gonna be like, unless you're really, really nervous or your character's nervous. But we need to act as minimalistic as possible in a realistic way. So when you take breaths and you have that time to take a breath, slowing the words down, it looks more realistic. So what I mean is, if you're like, My name's Kayleigh. I'm from the UK. Where are you from? So, you see, we take little breaths, whereas when you rush something, you don't have time to take a breath. You're just like, my name's Kayleigh, I'm from the UK, where are you from? So it doesn't look as realistic, because in real life, we are going to be taking breaths. We are going to be, no matter the situation. So that is why I say, slow it down and don't rush, because it's not a competition. And you just want to look realistic. Okay, so I'm sorry for my giggling a lot, but I want you to learn this process. So when you turn off this video, look in the mirror and practice slowing down a word that you need to slow down, or if you've got a script or a monologue that you want to practice it, taking breaths and taking it at a slow pace. Don't rush things, because rushing is never a good thing. And good luck out there if you have a casting. So before we go, I have a little bit of advice for you before you walk into that casting and think about rushing your words. So before you go in, don't think about anybody around you. Think about yourself. Think about why you're here and what you want to do, the impact that you want to make. And just sit down or stand up and slowly close your eyes like this. Take in a deep breath and breathe out. Do that for a couple of seconds and just affirm to yourself that you can do this. You're an amazing actor. People want to see you. You are going to inspire a lot of people, and you are definitely going to take it at your own pace, because you are good enough and you know it. You're on these videos for a reason. So that is all you should do. Take a little bit of a breath before you go in. Think about why you're here and affirm to yourself that you can do it, because you can. Walk into that casting and be the confident you, because I know you can do it. Before you do that, drink some water. Anyway, thank you for watching this video and thank you for subscribing. Please check out our Patreon page if that is what you would like to do. We also have a Twitter page and all of the links will be in the description below. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a brilliant day and good luck with your future castings. Bye.